I just marked all the rebar locations, so when you're pouring concrete, they'll be easy to find and not get lost. So we could stay level, hopefully. And they're all marked. All right, so the concrete guys are here. Get ready to pour the footers. It's like gonna be 9 yards of concrete. So hopefully they'll be done with this in a couple hours. And I can work on the block in a week or so. They got it all done. Took them about an hour and a half to get it all in. Now he's just finishing it out, get it level. Took 8.5 yards of concrete, which is about what we thought. We ordered 9. Thankfully, we didn't order 7 or 8. Well, it looks like it's setting up just fine. This is the next day, but it's doing pretty good. I checked it yesterday. It's pretty level. There's a couple spots that it's gonna have to be raised up with the mortar beds and the block, but I think overall it'll be good. It'll be fine. So now have a block guy coming out this Saturday, hopefully, to give me a quote on the block. I'm halfway considering doing it myself. I've never laid block. I'm a framer. I'm not a block mason or brick mason. So, but I'm sure I could figure it out. And since it's my place, you know, if I make a mistake, then I can fix it and make it right. I wouldn't do it for somebody else, being that I've never done it before. But so anyway, I'm gonna wait and see what he says about the quote for the price for doing the block. And I paid a little bit more than I wanted to for the footers, so I don't want to mess with my budget too much. If I lay it myself, I'll save myself quite a bit of money, I'm sure, because once I get the block laid, I still have to pour a pad in here, and I know the pad's going to be about $6,000 just for the for a 24 by 50 pad. So I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know if I want to lay the block myself or just let them do it, get it done right, and try to save money elsewhere on other things. So we'll see. This isn't the most exciting part of a building process, but it's the most important part, and it has to be done. So I wanted to bring you along for this part of it as well. So, you know, when I make a decision on the block, whether I do it myself or whether I have them do it, I'll video that and bring you along. So until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.